if you're planning to build in 2026, whether you are here in Kenya or in the diaspora, this video will open your eyes. Because today we are talking about construction technologies that will completely change how Kenyans build in 2026 and beyond. From AI tools to smart roofing, drones, and automated project management, you will see why 2026 is the year construction becomes faster, cheaper, and more accurate. And remember, at Veewave Enterprises, we help Kenyans in the diaspora manage projects end-to-end using modern digital tools. So, let's begin. 2026 is the year where architects and engineers stop spending weeks on design updates. AI design tools will allow clients to generate multiple building layouts in seconds and instantly show cost estimates, materials required, and structural adjustments. In Kenya, this means you can see your full house design on your phone and edit it in real time, even if you are abroad. Veewave Enterprises is already integrating AI tools to help diaspora clients visualize their projects from anywhere in the world. Drone technology in 2026 is getting smarter. Instead of guessing what is happening on site, drones can now track daily construction progress, spot errors early, measure materials accurately, and improve security by mapping the entire site. For diaspora clients, this is a game changer. Veewave Enterprises uses site monitoring technology, so you don't have to rely on hearsay. You get visual evidence and weekly progress reports. Smart materials and energy efficient building. 2026 will introduce new materials designed to reduce energy bills and extend building lifespan. These include self-cooling roofing sheets, water-resistant gypsum boards, thermal insulation blocks, and solar-integrated roofing. Builders in Kenya are shifting to materials that last longer and save money in the long run. Prefab and modular homes growth. Prefab homes, including container houses, steel frame homes, and modular rooms are taking off in Kenya. In 2026, prefab construction will grow even faster because it is faster, cheaper, cleaner, and requires less labor. This trend is huge among diaspora builders who want quality homes without long delays. Automated project management systems. 2026 is the year construction becomes fully digital. Systems will track everything: budgets, materials, labor, timelines, and approvals. At Veewave Enterprises, we already use automated management systems to give clients transparency, progress updates, and audit trails. This eliminates hidden costs, poor communication, delays, and misinformation. Robotics and automated machinery. Robots in construction sound futuristic, but 2026 will introduce automatic bricklaying machines, concrete printing robots, smaller compaction rollers, and laser-guided leveling tools. These machines reduce errors and speed up work, especially on large projects like malls, apartments, and roads. Finally, smart home integration. People building in 2026 want modern homes, and smart home integration is becoming standard. Expect more of smart lighting, smart security, smart door locks, automated water management, and energy monitoring. And the best part, these systems are now affordable in Kenya. In conclusion, 2026 will transform Kenya's construction industry, and if you're planning to build, you can now build faster, smarter, and better than ever. At Veewave Enterprises, we help you take full advantage of these technologies, especially if you are in the diaspora and you want a trusted team to manage your project here in Kenya. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it. And comment below. Which construction technology are you excited to try in 2026? This is Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner in building smarter, stronger, and stress-free in Kenya. Until next video, let's keep building excellence together.